Hey everybody, welcome to FDIC 2023. I'm Sam from HiViz Lighting and the Firetech brand, and this is the new Firetech Omen warning light bar. This is what we've been teasing all week, talking about launching here at the show. If you're here, come by and check it out, and if you're not, I'm gonna run through all the tech here in this video. And so as we started thinking through what are the better ways to do it, we looked at our tech that's more like the BG2 lighting system, which is modular, and we developed a modular warning light bar that bases on an exoskeleton that's kind of this extruded frame, and then you just slide modules on. These are any color modules, red, green, blue, amber, or white. They attach to the light bar on this exoskeleton frame, and you just choose your length. You don't have to have this lid that attaches to the bottom where you configure your modules. You just add the modules on the fixture, you stick it on the truck, and send it down the road. It makes it way faster, way easier, and it eliminates the capability or the capacity of the light bar to hold water because it's like a bucket without a bottom. One of the other cool things is that if you look on top of this light bar, that right there is a HiViz HA5 transmitter. So that allows you to enable digital alerting. And what's really cool is we modified our HiViz Connect protocol to communicate directly with the HiViz Safety Cloud and directly with their tech so that we can transmit things like traffic is moving to the left, traffic is moving to the right, or we want traffic to move to the left or to the right, or things like when the EMAS is on, or even enable things like software updates that go directly to the fixture. You just either grab the HA5 and bolt it to the top of the bar, or you incorporate the one that's already on your truck just over the HiViz Connect protocol. It's a single wire interface, you connect to the thing, and you're in good shape. So this exoskeleton-based design allows us to attach multiple fixtures and items to the exterior or to the exoskeleton of the fixture. The other cool thing is here, you'll see this is the Firetech brow light, and it's got this thing called a J-foot, and the J-foot slides up in our mounting track and allows you to attach any size brow light directly to the front of the fixture, and it's a seamless integration between warning lights. The top row is designed to be more like your E-Master, so this comes on as a red-white flash on the middle row. The upper rows are your primary red circuits. If you're in a state that allows for blue, you can just add blue to the fixture. Boom, now you're able to control this thing in any color, in any configuration. If you want to be able to call for something like command on demand, let's say you get on scene and now you're the incident commander, hit a button, the whole truck, anything that's got a green circuit on board, turns green, and it lets you be the incident commander. You can integrate this thing in with our BG2 system and some of the lighting tech that we build with traffic directors. Here's a center out. I can show you a traffic left and a traffic right. It's all built into the same fixture. We do responding modes. Once we get on scene, we can do a parked mode that has something called a soft flash, which is a flash that goes from 0 to 100 and back to 0. It allows you to do it kind of at a ramping rate that can be defined. So you can make this thing do really kind of soft nighttime modes. It's got a lot of really cool features built in. Now, one of the questions we get asked all the time is, how many flash patterns does it have? And in order to answer that question, you kind of have to break down what a flash pattern is. And what we've got is 7 core building blocks that can be designed like almost like imagine a piece of music. It's got a bunch of different frames. You can put one flash pattern next to another flash pattern next to another flash pattern, whether it's a single flash and a double flash. You can use these 7 building blocks to control or to design whatever flash pattern you want. You can set any speed, you can set any intensity, and these things are designed to be super configurable, but also have constraints around them so that you don't end up creating a flash pattern that's non-NFPA compliant. The truck knows how many modules are on it, how bright each of those modules are, and which colors you've chosen, and it gives you the ability to modify all of your flash patterns within the NFPA guidelines of speed, rate, intensity, and that sort of stuff. So it's really cool, it's super configurable. There are literally thousands of combinations you can make, but it ships with a default standard flash pattern that I can show you here on the truck. So there's the emergency master response mode. This is the default pattern, and from here you can configure whatever you want. There will be a Bluetooth app. Every fixture in the new HVC range and the Omen light bar all have a Bluetooth chip on board, so you can communicate with all the different fixtures. You can set things like flash patterns and modes. You can enable functions like digital alerting, vehicle-to-vehicle synchronization, all the stuff you're used to from a variety of manufacturers in the lighting space, we now do, but it's specific for full-size fire trucks. It's not a secondary electrical system on top of a patrol car electrical system. This is a light bar designed for a fire truck cab by firefighters that's gonna help keep you safe after dark.